In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Tripadvisor account. If you've been locked out or simply forgot your password, don't worry, this process is quick and secure. I'll walk you through it step by step, with a few helpful tips along the way so you can get back into your account with confidence. First, open your browser and go to the official Tripadvisor login page. It's best to navigate directly rather than through random links, just to avoid any lookalike pages. Once you're on the login screen, look just below the fields where you would normally enter your email and password. You'll see a link that says, "Forgot your password?" Go ahead and click that. You'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your Tripadvisor account. Type it carefully, and double-check for common mistakes like extra spaces, missing dots, or the wrong domain. If your browser autofills the field, make sure it's pointing to the address you actually used when you signed up. After you submit your email, switch over to your inbox. The password reset message usually arrives within a minute or two, but give it a little time. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder. And if your email has tabs like promotions or updates, peek there too. When the message arrives, open it and click the reset link inside. That link will take you to a secure page where you can choose a new password. When creating your new password, pick something strong and unique. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing a password from another site. A secure password manager can help you store it safely for next time. After you submit the new password, follow any prompts on screen, and you should be all set. Now, if you don't receive the email, let's troubleshoot. First, make sure there were no typos in the address you entered. If your inbox still doesn't show the message after a few minutes, try the next step. Enter any other email addresses you may have used with your account. Many people have more than one address: an old personal email, a work email, or a secondary account from years ago. Repeat the reset process for each address you might have used until the reset email arrives in the right inbox. And that's it. By going to the login page, using the "Forgot Your Password" link, entering the correct email, and checking your inbox for the reset link, or trying another address if needed, you'll recover your Tripadvisor account quickly and safely.